I'm turning this head of cabbage into sauerkraut. This is something I've never actually made before, so we're gonna do it together with Allrecipes' top-rated recipe for homemade sauerkraut. And by looking at the recipe, I didn't know it was this easy. I thought it was a long, drawn-out process. We're gonna make this in less than 30 minutes. I'm just gonna start by shredding a head of cabbage. Cabbage is shredded. Now
I didn't say I was ready. Oh, God.
Cabbage is shredded. Now all I have to do is add half of a white onion, dice it up. Per the instructions, I'm going to go into the pot with some water and then half of our vinegar and our onion. That's gonna be the first layer of flavor, and we put our cabbage right on top. And then goes in salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and celery seed. Celery seed is what makes it. This is what gives sauerkraut that distinct flavor. So this, to me, is an essential ingredient. I'm just gonna crack some pepper on top and then pour the rest of the vinegar over it. Now I'm just gonna cover it to bring it up to a boil, and then we're gonna reduce it, let it simmer for about 3 minutes. First 3 minutes is done. Give it a little toss. Oh, it smells good. At this point, you're just going to stir it occasionally for 10 to 15 minutes until everything is nice and tender. All right, I think it's done. I really had no idea it was this easy. There she is. This can be a delicious side dish next to some kielbasa or some like fried pork chops. And of course we know it's the perfect topper to a hot dog. Right away. Tastes nothing like what comes out of that can. This is way better. Yeah, we make a sauerkraut. We make a sauerkraut.